Okay guys, we got a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 5.7 liter engine in it. Today we're going to be changing the radiator and the condenser. I'm a little late with this video, but first thing you have to do is take all the plastic clips out of the plastic trim that actually goes right there on both sides. Move it out the way. Once again, I'm taking these bumpers apart. We should have, let me get my light out, a couple of plastic clips, one there, with a 10mm bolt that goes there on each side. Then you can unsnap the bumper out, these clips, and these clips here. And then in order to get the grill out, you have two 10mm bolts right there, one on each side of the grill. Okay, I'm gonna go and take that grill off. Be back in a minute. Okay, once that's done, you're gonna take the 3 bolts out here on each side. 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. I'm gonna take the bolts out of the 2 horns and remove this whole frame and put it to the side. Okay, also we're gonna have a 10mm here, flathead, in order to take the air filter housing out. You'll have an 8mm here on the coolant reservoir bottom, 10mm here for the AC line, and another plastic clip for the washer fluid bottom, and another hidden 10mm bolt right down there. Okay, took the horns out, unsnap the wires here and here, pull this plastic cover out. I'm gonna take these 2 13mm bolts loose, and we're gonna make sure you unplug your ambient air temperature sensor, and we're gonna pull this plastic piece out, and it'll give you access to the condenser lines for the AC. Okay, so I removed the whole hood latch assembly and the cross member, whatever you want to call it. Now we have full access to the radiator and the condenser. My next step is to, I already evacuated the AC already. Take this 13mm bolt out right here for the condenser. I'm gonna take the upper radiator hose loose, and also you got 2 lines right here, and I'm gonna show you how to get them loose in a few minutes. All right, so I got this thing lifted up. We're gonna have to take the plastic cover out. 13 bolt here, 13 here. And you got 1, 2, 1 plastic clip, and another 10mm bolt here. I had to take this plastic shield on so I can drain the radiator. Like I said, I already did the AC recovery. I already sucked the Freon out of it. Once I do that, it'll be back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go in on and drain the coolant. A little red plug right there. Drain the coolant. You can have a clip here on the fan. You have another clip further up. Then I'm gonna take the lower radiator hose loose. Pop it out. Okay, I pop that out of there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the fan and everything in. But we got one more thing that I gotta do, and that's take loose the trans cooler lines. Okay, what you wanna do is push these caps back. 1 second. Kind of hard working in here with the foam and working at the same time. Okay, so they're gonna have a little clip right there. So I'm gonna go in there with this little hook tool, and I'm gonna get up under there, and I'm gonna pull a clip out. You probably want to take and put your thumb on top or something so you don't lose this clip. Clip is gonna look like that. Once you take that clip out, you should be able to take the line straight off, like that, okay? You can do the same thing with the other one right here. Now, I took these clips off with a little hook tool because I couldn't find a special tool that I had in my toolbox for it. They also sell this little tool right here, and basically what you do is kind of like the AC clips and the fuel line clips. You just basically put it around the line, push it in, and then pull the line out. If you had a tool. If you don't, you know, you could just take a little pick tool like this and just pull the clip out. When you put the condenser back in, put these clips on first, and then when you push the line back in, you want to listen for it to snap, and then when it snaps, kind of pull it to make sure it don't pop back off on you. So you got 2 clips on right here on the power steering cooler. Push it down the clip here. Alright. Here. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna take everything out at one time. It's the condenser, the radiator, and the fan all at one time.